Today I'm going to show you how to create custom templates in OneNote. Alright, so here we are in OneNote. We want to create a custom template. The first thing we need to do is create a page that we would like to create as a template. Now you can use any page you want, it really doesn't matter. The next thing to do is to create your structure or your wireframe as to what you want to use as your template. So whatever information, whatever images, whatever you need to put in here, make sure that you do it, and whatever's going to be put in here is going to be repeated within your template, of course. All right, so whatever it is that you're doing, make sure that you create it. Now, just for example purposes, I'm just going to leave it as is. We're going to go up here to insert. We're going to come over here to template pages. We're going to click on here and go to page templates. And here you can see that there are a bunch of different templates, but right at the bottom you can see it says create new template, and here you can click on save current page as template. Here give it a name, so let's just say template page 1, and here you can set it as the default template for new pages in this current section. Now if you go ahead and click on save, you'll be able to see over here it says my templates, and here you will actually see that we have the template page over here. If you right click on it, you can add to the section, delete, or set as the default for the section.